Hello, I'm John Matthews, Executive Director of Law Enforcement Initiatives for the National Law Enforcement Memorial and Museum. And according to the data compiled by the National Law Enforcement Officers Memorial Fund, as of December 31st, 2020, 264 federal, state, military, tribal, and local law enforcement officers died in the line of duty in 2020, an increase of 96% from the 135 officers killed during 2019. Officer fatalities range from automobile crashes to heart attacks and from gunshots to being beaten to death. Of these tragic deaths, COVID-19 related fatalities were the single highest cause of officer line of duty death in 2020. Of the 264 officers who have died in the line of duty, there were 145 confirmed COVID-19 cases. And it must be noted, however, that as the pandemic rages on, the Memorial Fund has already identified a significant number of additional COVID-19 related fatalities. Once these cases are confirmed, the Memorial Fund projects that the total number of COVID-19 fatalities and the total number of line of duty deaths will grow significantly. Unfortunately, even with the preliminary COVID-19 fatalities, in 2020, we had the highest number of law enforcement line of duty deaths since 1974. Firearms-related fatalities were the second most common cause of officer deaths, with 48 officers killed in 2020. This represents a 6% decrease from the 51 officers killed in firearms-related incidents during the same period in 2019. The leading circumstance of firearms-related fatalities was officers investigating suspicious persons or activities, followed by attempting an arrest. Ambush attacks leading to the officer's death remained constant compared to the same period the previous year. 44 officers have been killed in traffic-related fatalities in 2020, a 2% increase compared to the 43 deaths during the same period the previous year. Automobile crashes were the single leading cause of death, with 18 of those incidents being a collision with another vehicle and 8 single vehicle crashes. Throughout the year, there was also 15 struck-by fatalities and 3 motorcycle fatalities. During 2020, 172 officers died of other causes. Of these deaths, 10 were physical related, such as a heart attack or a stroke suffered on duty, and 12 succumbed to injuries sustained during the 9/11 terrorist attacks. Additionally, 3 officers drowned. 1 perished in a helicopter crash, and 1 was beaten to death. The largest single cause of death in this category and in the entire report are the 145 COVID-19 deaths, where officers were confirmed by their agency to have been engaged in a line of duty action or activity, and the officer was diagnosed or evidence indicated that the officer had COVID-19 or complications thereof at the time of the officer's death. We hope that these numbers and the data provided in the Memorial Fund's end-of-year report gives you the information necessary to make it safer for your officers on the street nationwide. Stay safe.